An e-machine is more expensive. Are you prepared to invest in your future? I'm Jacob from Equip2, and today in this video I'll be talking about how much an e-machine will cost you. An e-machine is more expensive than a traditional diesel hydraulic machine. They're about 10 to 20% more for the initial capital outlay. The reason for this is the technology used and the components is more advanced and more expensive than in a diesel hydraulic machine. When you compare an e-machine and a traditional diesel hydraulic machine in the Keestrack R5 size, you're getting savings throughout the year in fuel costs, maintenance and consumable costs, and extra productivity. This equates to more profit for your business of around $156,000. If you'd like to know more about how much an e-machine would cost in your application, get in contact with our team today. So there you have it. An e-machine is more expensive to purchase, but in the long run, it will increase your profitability and help you grow your business.